We just took in a very interesting trade, and I need the help of our dealer friends out there in the community. I'm with Steven. Steven's our car buyer, and one of Steven's primary responsibilities is to appraise cars as they come in through our service department and see if our clients are interested in potentially upgrading. And that's what you did on this car. Is that correct?
That's right.
So this is a GLC63 Coupe, S Coupe. It's an S Coupe, right?
Yep.
Yep, S Coupe, boom. Steven, what year is this car?
It is a 2019, and it's got about 142,500 miles on it.
142,000 miles on it. Exactly. This is an amazing car. It's a V8. The new GLC Coupe is not a V8, at least the 63 variant, a lot like the C63. It's still an amazing car, but of course the V8 enthusiasts are not happy about that. But this car, with the miles that it has, and it's definitely due for some service work, it really just doesn't make sense for us to keep. As much as I would love to keep this and resell it, the expectations of any Mercedes-Benz that we're reselling out of our pre-owned department, it's higher than it would be at like an independent.
For sure.
Is that fair to say?
Absolutely.
Okay. Interesting story. We appraised it. He brought it in for service, had some work done, and then shortly thereafter, check engine light came on, and he decided, you know what, I'm just going to turn it in. But at that point, we had already appraised it with knowing that it needed some work. We really didn't want to nickel and dime him, so we said we're going to commit to the number. But now we just really don't see a reason to keep this. If we could have talked ourselves into it, now we're like, you know what, let's find a new home for it.
For sure.
Fair? Do you have the key to it?
Give it to you.
You did. What did I do with it?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, hold up. Let me run inside and grab it.
30-second timeout.
The key. Now, first of all, this car sounds amazing. That's a given, but let's start it up and hear it. No check engine light on now. Did we clear it? Or did it just go off?
It just went off.
Okay. So there's no check engine light on now. But that said, we do know that brakes are getting low. Brakes are a little bit, they're between what, 30–40%? And tires are about 40% as well. So the next owner of this car probably going to be looking at tires and brakes. He replaced ignition coils, is that right?
Ignition coils as well as an A service.
Okay.
So it's got an oil change.
Yep.
Yeah.
But this is a one-owner vehicle. It's a highway mile car, right? This is somebody that traveled a lot for work. It's driven a lot on the highway. It's got, you know, some little scratches here and there, but overall, it's in pretty good shape. I mean, it's a good-looking car.
It's got a chip in the windshield as well as some chips on the front.
Okay.
So up here, I believe. Where was it? Oh, right down here.
Okay, so a small one. Not bad.
And then, yeah, exterior, interior, really some nicks and such. It won't need any body work.
Okay.
Interior's awesome. Everything functions as it should. Power sunroof works.
GLC63 S Coupe, not a car that we're going to retail. So if you're a dealership or a wholesaler, reach out to us. Let us know what you're willing to pay for this. The car's not perfect, but it is very, very nice for what it is. It's got a great history. It's got a clean Carfax, hasn't been in any accidents. We would love to keep it. Truly, we would. But we're not the best end user for this car. And we don't like to wholesale vehicles, but sometimes it is the right thing to do.
Absolutely.
So if you're interested, please reach out to me, send me a DM, send me an email, whatever you want to do. Let us know what you're willing to pay. I'll get you the VIN so you can confirm all the information on it. But white, red interior, black wheels, it's got the cross spokes. This is a hot car. It's going to be a good car for someone. Let's give you a quick look inside the interior. There's the miles on the car there. No check engine light. I would assume that it might come back at some point. And you know, of course, there's a little wear on the interior, but overall, this is a super nice car.
I'm going to fire
big
it up.
Spoiler on the back. Yeah, let's hear that one more time. I mean, hard to argue with that. Power trunk, no issues there. It's a good car, it really is. If you have any interest, get us a number on this thing. Let us know what you'd be willing to pay.